Today we learn color and shape, so let's start.
What color is an apple? Red. What color is the sky?
Blue!
That's right, it's a beautiful blue sky.
What color is a banana?
What shape has 3 sides?
Triangle!
What shape has 4 equal sides?
Square!
That's right. What shape has 2 long sides?
Rectangle!
What shape has 5 sides?
Pentagon!
What shape has 6 sides?
Hexagon!
What shape has 8 sides?
Octagon!
What shape looks like a diamond?
Rhombus!
What shape looks like a boat?
Trapezium!
What is the shape of a box?
Cube!
What 3D shape is a globe?
Sphere!
What shape is a soda can?
Cylinder!
What shape has 3 sides?
Triangle!
What shape is perfectly round?